From hydraulic fittings to electrical connectors, cars and trucks use all kinds of specialized hardware. Not having the correct fitting or terminal on hand can stall a complicated repair job, costing you time and money. Dorman takes the guesswork out of sourcing the most common of these specialized fittings with job-specific tech trays. Each one of our tech trays includes a unique assortment of parts to make complex repairs on air conditioning, fueling, cooling, and other vehicle systems. Our latest tech trays feature quick disconnect hardware arranged in color-coded, stackable plastic storage trays to make it easy to spot the right kit for the job. Inside, each part has its own dedicated location to keep everything sorted. A printed guide on the lid ensures you find the right part quickly and simplifies reordering individual components. Depending on the particular tech tray, special tools are also included to help you complete the job correctly. For more details and to find the correct tech tray for your repair, check dormanproducts.com today.